Good morning, students. Next topic, sorting and searching techniques. Okay, so selection sort is one of the sorting algorithm. So already introduced in UG classes. So here once again we are recall about that sorting algorithm. Okay, so what is selection sort? Selection sort is a simple sorting algorithm. So this is sorting algorithm is an in place comparison based algorithm. That means if you have a list of n elements, then how can do the selection sort? Just to comparison of given elements, then after to select the elements from smallest to biggest. Okay, so first process of the given list is divided into two parts: the sorted part at the left end and the unsorted part at the right end. Okay, so the given list is divided into two parts. So the two parts is, one is the left end of the part, then another one is right end of the parts. Okay, left end is sorted elements, then right end is unsorted elements. So initially the sorted part is empty because we have unsorted elements are there. So the sorted parts is empty. Then and the unsorted part is entire list because the elements cannot be unsorted when the first initial stage of the list. Okay, initial stage of the list is the elements are not sorted, so that is unsorted part of the elements. That means unsorted part completely the entire list, but the sorted part is empty. Okay, once then I recall about this concept, then if you have a list of elements, first to do divide into two parts of the elements, then after the two parts is, one is the left, then another one is right. Okay, the left part is, left end of the part is sorted part, and the right end part is unsorted part. First stage, the initial stage, the sorted part is empty because there is no sorted elements are there. Then after to complete the selection sort, then only we can get the sorted elements. So the initial stage, the sorted part is empty and the unsorted part is entire list because that is the initial stage, because the elements are unsorted elements. Okay, the smallest element is selected from the unsorted array. Okay, so if you have a list, then first how can select the element? Then to first select the lowest element from the unsorted array. Okay, then after swapped with the leftmost element. Okay, so example, so listen here. So this is a set of elements, then so this is the leftmost part, then this is rightmost part. Okay, so the portion is divided into two section, then this is left end, this is right end. Okay, so first you are select the elements. Here given some of the elements are there, then first you take the smallest element, then after to swap means then put it into leftmost part. So which is the first lowest element in this element, then take that element, then put it in the first position of the given list or given sorted array. Okay, then the process left and the element becomes part of the sorted array. Okay, first to select the smallest element from the array and put it into the sorted array. So that is the first element of the array. So this process is continuous moving unsorted array. Okay, so you can clear about this idea with the given example of the next slide. Okay, just here understand the concept only. Okay, first is select the smallest or lowest element from the unsorted array and put it into the sorted array. Okay, then how the first element is swapped into the smallest one. Okay, so that element, the smallest element, it goes to first position of the array. Okay, so the process is continuously until sorting process completed. Okay, so this is selection sort, but we have lot of elements are there, so this is the not efficient, this is a not suitable technique to solve this problem because the complexity is big of n square, where n is the number of item. So the selection sort is not suitable to biggest elements. That means large number of elements. So if you have large number of elements can be sorted. So this is not suitable method because complexity is high. So the complexity is big of n square. Okay, then another one is given the example of selection sort. Okay, so this is the set of elements. The elements are 14, 13, 27, 10, 35, 19, 42 and 44. Okay, then first you give the index number 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, the array size is 7 and 8 elements are given here. Okay, so the first position in the sorted list is the whole list is scanned sequentially. Okay, because of this comparison process. So first you take the leftmost part, first you take the leftmost element, then after comparing with the each and every elements. Okay, so that means sequentially. The first position where 14 is sorted presently. Okay, but we are searching from these remaining elements to find the 10 is the lowest element. Okay, so the next condition is that 10 is swapped. Okay, that means the 10 is swapped into the first position. Okay, so listen here, replace 14 with 10 after one iteration. That means the 10 is 14 is swapped with 10 and the 10 is goes here. Okay, then 14 is 10th position. Okay, so after swapping the elements 14 and 10, then we can get the output list. That means 10 is first position, then 14 is third position because 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so 14 is third position. So that's swapping the elements because 10 is the lowest element. Okay, then we can get the first iteration loop, fight iteration concept, that 14 is swapped into 10. Okay, so 10 goes to first position. Then next the second position 33. Okay, so first 10 is sorted element. That means the 10 is the lowest value put into the sorted array. Then after the remaining elements starting from 33, 27, 14 and so on. Okay, so 33 is the second position. Then that value is comparing with each and every elements. Okay, elements, then after to find the lowest value. So that is 14 is the lowest value from the remaining list of elements. So we can swap. That means 33 is swap into 14. 33 is swap into 14. So then 14 is goes to second position and 33 is, so 33 is the lowest element. So 35 is swapping to 33. Okay, so 33 goes from then fifth position, then 33, then 35, 42, 44. So the remaining elements are already sorted elements, so we cannot do this process. So this is the selection sort. Okay, so the main concept of selection sort is just to select the element. So what type of elements to be selected? That means smallest one. Then if you have a list of elements, first to compare the elements, then to find the lowest one, then after swapping process. Okay, swapping, the lowest one is moves to leftmost part, then and so on. Okay, then biggest value is rightmost part. Okay, so this is selection sort is a very simple concept. Then what is the algorithm? First to set minimum to location of 0. Okay, so that means what? Then if you have a list of elements, then just to imagine, otherwise you are consider the 0th position. That means the index number 0th position. So if you have a number is 25 is there, then just to consider 25 is the smallest value. That means then to set the location of 0th position. So whatever you may be, so that element is considered as a minimum value. Then after the next comparison, compare with this element is the next element. Okay, if it is this element is the lowest element, then swapping. Okay, search the minimum element in the list, then swap with value at location in minimum. Then after increment, mean to point to the next element. So repeat until the list is sorted. So this is the process. Okay, the very simple idea. First you have a list, then after to analyze the list, then after to find the lowest element, then lowest element is swap into the first position. Okay, then how can write an algorithm? Just to consider any one element, that means a 0th position element is the minimum element, then after the comparison of the next element, then if it is which one is the lowest element, then just swapping. Okay, repeat until the sorting process is completed. Okay, so this is pseudocode. Then procedure is selection sort the list array of items in size of list. Okay, for I equal 1 to n minus 1, that means how many times you sorted the elements, that means n minus 1. Suppose the size of element is 8, then how many times you can compare, then 8 minus 1, then 7 times you have comparing that list of elements. Okay, then set the element as minimum, that means first element 0th position element declared as a minimum element, then after to check the minimum element to the remaining elements, then if it is lowest element, that means the list of j is less than list of minimum, then minimum equal j. Okay, then end if. So this is a very simple concept. This is a selection sort. So I hope you can understand this concept of selection sort. Okay, thank you.